how are you, Jamima?
Hello, assalamu alaikum. I'm fine, thank you.
Okay, so now I'm asking you some question about your home. So, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, so do you live in a house or flat?
I live in a house.
Great. Number 2, please describe it a little.
I live in a house which is a 7-stored building, and we live in at second floor, and my house is located in Chittagong, and it's Akbar Shah Habashik Railway Housing Society. We also have a little garden in front of our house. We live in a nice weather and a nice place with our family.
Great. So, what's your favorite room in your home?
My favorite room is my own room because I decorated it with my own taste.
Great. And who do you live with?
I live with my parents, my sisters, my brother, and my grandfather also.
Okay, how long have you lived there?
I live there since my birth.
Great, thank you.
Thank you.